In this video, I'm going to teach you how to surf Pokemon Emerald. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire HM3 Surf in Pokemon Emerald. These instructions are going to be specifically for this game. However, in general, you can follow the same path to get it in Ruby and Sapphire as well. So it is actually quite straightforward. All that you have to do to get Surf in Pokemon Emerald is to progress through the story until you reach Petalburg City and defeat Norman. So you need to defeat this gym leader. Immediately upon defeating him, he will talk about the fact that now with his badge, you will be able to control Pokemon with the HM move Surf. But to actually get it, you just have to progress through this dialogue, and Wally's uncle will actually drag you to his house where he will give you the HM. So essentially, all that you have to do is beat Norman. This NPC will appear, he will drag you to his house, and he will give you HM Surf for free. So all that you have to do is defeat Norman, and you will be rewarded with the HM Surf. Now, you can teach it to any Pokemon that it is compatible with, usually water types, and as soon as you are done, you will be able to interact with any body of water. Because Pokemon Emerald is centered around Kyogre and Groudon, there will be a lot of water to explore, so having Surf is basically mandatory. This is why they give you it for free so early in the game. So just catch a Pokemon that can learn Surf if you don't already have one, and you will be able to surf throughout the region. And all that you have to do is progress through the story to actually get it. For Ruby and Sapphire, there might be an additional step where you have to actually go to the house of Wally's uncle and talk to him, but for Emerald, it is simply given to you automatically. I hope I was able to help you on how to surf in Pokemon Emerald. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.